Objective mineralogy, multiple choice questions with answers. These are useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 5. First question. Which one of the following groups of minerals are classified within sulfides? This was the question asked in UPSC Geologists 2021. Choices are A. Bromides, B. Fluorides, C. Arsenides, D. Arsenides. Obviously, so arsenides they will be classified under sulfides. Coming to second question. Opal is a mineral that displays iridescence or play of colors when rotated or observed from different directions because of A. Interference of the ray of light by minute globules of water trapped in the outer layer of crystal lattice, and B. Interference of the ray of light by the distortions in crystal lattice, and C. On account of mineral inclusions, and D. Interference of light reflected from thin plates of other minerals enclosed or exsolved in parallel planes within the crystal. So, correct answer is A. It is due to the interference of ray of light by minute globules of water trapped in the outer layer of a crystal lattice. So, opal is actually SiO2 NH2. That means it consists of number of water molecules. So, that's why it displays iridescent play of colors when the interference of the ray of the light by small droplets of water which are in the outer layer of the crystal lattice. Coming to the third question. Pleochroism, representing change of colors upon rotation of microscope stage under plane polarized light in some minerals, is characterized by A. Two extremes of color seen twice during a complete 360 degrees rotation, and B. Four extremes of color seen twice during a complete 360 degrees rotation, and C. Two extremes of color seen twice during a 90 degrees rotation, and D. Four extremes of color seen twice during 90 degrees of rotation. So correct answer is A. It will exhibit two extremes of color which are seen twice during complete 360 degrees rotation. Coming to the fourth question. In alkali feldspar, a coupled substitution occurs when A. Addition of one silicon ion in the framework structure to make a covalent bond in alkali feldspar, and B. One aluminium ion plus one sodium ion enter the framework structure and replace one silicon ion, and in addition they fill a vacant site, and C. One silicon is replaced by the one sodium ion to balance one ion of oxygen, and D. One oxygen ion in addition enter in the framework structure to balance the charge of silicon and alumina. So correct answer is B. One aluminium ion plus one sodium ion enter the framework structure. So these are a type of tectosilicates and replace one silicon ion, and in addition they fill a vacant site. Fifth question. Variation in the refractive index in aluminosilicates, that is Al2SiO5 polymorphs, is due to A. Polarization of some light in the form of interference color, B. Ferric ion and manganese entering the structure, C. Thickness of thin section that retard velocity of light, and D. Transmission of light with equal velocity in all directions. So correct answer is ferric iron and manganese entering the structure. Coming to sixth question. The ray velocity surface of an anisotropic crystal is an ellipsoid because anisotropic crystals A. Transmit light with same velocities in different directions, B. Transmit light with different velocities in different directions, and C. Absorb all the transmitted light, and D. Have lower refractive index than air. Correct answer is B. They transmit light with different velocities in different directions. Seventh question. Mineral quartz shows twinning according to the Brazil law, which is twin plane is 1120, and defined law twin axis is C axis, but this twinning is not detectable under the microscope because a twin plane 1120 is always perpendicular to the twin axis, that is C axis, and both 1120 and C axis are in extinction position in twin plane direction, and C optic orientation in both the twin parts is identical in both types of twin, and D. Optic orientation in both the twins parts is not identical in both types of twinning. So correct answer is C, that is optic orientation in both the twin parts is identical in both types of twin. Eighth question. Which of the following is commonly known as a black lead but lacks lead in its composition? A. Sphalerite, B. Graphite, C. Pentlandite, and D. Cassiterite. So correct answer is B. Graphite. It is known as a plumbago, and it's also known as a plumbago. It's black lead, but it doesn't have any lead. Next question. Which one of the following minerals is used as an important raw material for the manufacture of cement and fertilizer ammonium sulfate? A. Barytes, B. Magnesite, C. Gypsum, D. Calcite. So gypsum, it is used for the manufacture of cement industries. So correct answer is C. This was the question asked in UPSC Geologists 2021. Next question. Which silicate of iron and magnesium is termed as chrysolite? A. Mica, B. Olivine, C. Magnesite, D. Biotite. Correct answer is B. Olivine. Olivine is also known as a chrysolite. Next question. Which one of the following is an ore mineral of silver? A. Arsenopyrite, B. Argentite, C. Cassiterite, D. Cerussite. So argentite is an ore of silver. 12th question. Which one of the following is a chromium bearing garnet? A. Grasular, B. Uvarovite, C. Spessartite, and D. Pyrope. Correct answer is B. Uvarovite. Spessartite contains manganese and pyrope contains magnesium, and grasular contains calcium and aluminium, and here the correct answer is chromium bearing garnet is Uvarovite. 13th question. Which one of the following minerals shows piezoelectric property? A. Garnet, B. Apatite, C. Quartz, D. Orthoclase feldspar. Correct answer is C. Quartz. It has a piezoelectric property. Fourteenth question. Which one of the following is not a manganese mineral? A. Pyrolusite, B. Sitaparite, and C. Rendenbergite, and D. Smithsonite. Correct answer is D. Smithsonite. Whereas the other are known as a manganese minerals, Smithsonite is not a manganese mineral. 15th question. Which one of the following minerals is called as a fool's gold? A. Hematite, B. Magnetite, C. Pyrite, and D. Halite. So C. Pyrite. Pyrite is also known as a fool's gold. Next question. Which mineral provides the highest swelling property to the soil? A. Kyolinite, B. Montmorillonite, C. Ilmenite, D. Quartz. Correct answer is B. Montmorillonite. It has the highest swelling property. Which one of the following mineral exhibits adamantine luster? A. Diamond, B. Calcite, C. Quartz, and nepheline. So obviously the answer is A. Diamond. It exhibits adamantine luster. 18th question. Which of the following minerals is having the formula Al2SiO5? So andalusite, topaz, fluorite, and barite. So answer is A. Andalusite. So andalusite, kyanite, andalusite, and selenite, they are the trimorphous forms of aluminosilicates. Next question. Which minerals displays twinking? A. Augite, B. Gypsum, C. Calcite, and D. Talc. So correct answer is C. Calcite. Next question. Quartz has the following hardness on the Mohs scale. Where is right question? A. 7, B. 6, C. 5, and D. 8. Correct answer is A. According to Mohs scale, so quartz exhibits 7 hardness.